So, dear viewers and my lovely students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you? Hopefully, all of you are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah. So, welcome to my channel, Mahboob's Islamic Guidance. This is Mahboob on before you, your religion teacher. Okay, my students, be connected with my channel and subscribe my channel for getting update video. So, students, today we will discuss an important topic. This is the SHAFA'AT from your books, class 8. Chapter 1, lesson 7, Shafa. Okay, what is Shafa? First, we will know about that. Shafa'at, it's the Arabic word. The meaning of Shafa'at is recommend, request, extra. In Bengali, we can say suparish. Okay, what is called Shafa'at according to Islamic Sharia? According to Islamic terminology, Shafa'at donates the recommendation of the prophets and Rasuls to Allah for the welfare and the forgiveness on the doomsday or day of the judgment Qiyamah. Okay, this is called Shafa'at. অর্থাৎ কিয়ামতের দিন নবী এবং রাসূল এবং ভালো ব্যক্তিরা যখন আল্লাহর কাছে আমাদের জন্য সুপারিশ করবে সেটাকে বলা হয় শাফাআত. ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? শাফাআত will be usually offered for the two reasons. Number 1, to forgive the sinner and sins, and number 2, to enhance and gain dignity for the virtues. Okay, so what is significance of Shafa'at? Shafa'at is the most important because it's a rahmat for us. It's a blessing for us because by our deed, if we will go to the hell by order of Allah, then if the prophet or the Hafiz of Quran or parents or the Rasul, if recommend for us to Allah, and Allah will forgive our sins. So this is rahmah for us. That's why Shafa'at is the blessing and the rahmat for us. Okay, and Shafa'at are two kinds, Shafa'at Kubra and Shafa'at Sugra. Shafa'at Kubra, it means আমরা বাংলায় বলি বড় শাফাত এবং ছোট শাফাত. Actually, Shafa'at Kubra, it is the fixed, just it is ordered and gained by our prophet. And the Shafa'at Sugra, this is the can do the parents, the Hafiz and the Alim and the others, Wali, etc. And Shafa'at Kubra, this is the day of judgment when sun will shine close to the human beings, causing acute suffering. Then our prophet will recommend to the Allah. Okay, this is Shafa'at Kubra, and this is fixed to our prophet. And Shafa'at Sugra, this is can do others prophets and the Hafiz and etc. Okay, the lecture, summary of lecture, that's all. Now we are going to the your textbook. So match my lecture with your textbook. So my lovely students, welcome again to my channel, Mahboob's Islamic Guidance. So be connected with my channel. Okay, my students, we have discussed about the Shafa'at. Now we are going to your textbook. Okay, open your textbook and match my lecture. Okay, this is lesson 7, page number 18 from your textbook, chapter 1, Shafa'at. Look at the screen. Shafa'at means to recommend, request, etc. It is the meaning of the Shafa'at because Shafa'at is an Arabic word. Okay, according to the Islamic terminology, Shafa'at donates the recommendation of the Prophet and the Rasul to Allah for the welfare and the forgiveness on the day of judgment or doomsday Qiyamah. Okay, this is the definition of the Shafa'at. Okay, so maybe question can come that what is the meaning of the Shafa'at and what is called Shafa. And now look at Shafa'at will be usually offered for two reasons. Number A, to forgive the sinner and sins. Number B, to enhance and gain dignity for the virtues. Okay, and now we will learn the significance of the Shafa'at. Shafa'at, what is the significance of it? Actually, it's a blessing for us because on the Qiyamah day, Allah, the Almighty, will make us accountable to Him for our worldly deeds. Then we will send everyone to the heaven or hell in terms of what we have done in the world. So if suppose if somebody bad deed will high and Allah will fix for him to Jahannam, then if the prophet or the Hafiz or the martyrs if request to Allah to forgive his sin, and if Allah forgive and send him to Jannah, this obviously undoubtedly blessing for him and a blessing for us. That's why it's the most important and significance. Okay, Shafa'at usually for two types, Shafa'at Kubra and Shafa'at Sogra. Now look at what is Shafa'at Kubra. Shafa'at Kubra means big, Shafa'at means Shafa'at, big Shafa'at, big request. Actually, on the day of the judgment, all persons will gather in the vast field. On that day, the sun will shine close to the human beings, causing acute suffering. Okay, that day actually all the prophet will deny that we can request to Allah. Then that's only our prophet, last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will request to Allah, and this is called Shafa'at Kubra, and this is fixed to with our prophet. Okay, and another name of Shafa'at Kubra, look at the underline, Shafa'at Ujma. Okay, this is about Shafa'at Kubra. Now we are going to the next Shafa'at Sugra. Sugra means small, Shafa'at means request, small request. Actually, this is came to another prophets and Rasul, angels, martyrs, alims, hafiz of Quran, and according to our Rasul, according to Hadith, Al Quran, and some will recommend to Allah on the day. Okay, so this is called Shafa'at Sugra. And Shafa'at Sugra will be declared for some cause. Look at the 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, so now look at the screen. Our prophet say about the Shafa'at, Shafa'at, I have been empowered with a very high to plate, Bukhari and Muslim. So that's why Shafa'at is the very ni'mat and the gift for us, because actually in the day of judgment it will be rahmat for us. So the lecture that's finished. So from this lesson some question can come. Number 1, what is the meaning of Shafa'at, what's called Shafa'at, and write down the significance of Shafa'at, and how many kinds of Shafa'at, and what is called Shafa'at Kubra and what is called Shafa'at Kubra. So students, match my lecture with your textbook and memorize properly it. Okay, be happy. Allah Hafiz.